Okay, Walter. I know you're not excited about tonight, but please try and act normal, okay?
Nancy, how do you expect me to act normal after everything we just saw?
When we won, the corporation said this was going to be the hardest part of coming back. Could you help me chop up some lines or something?
I'd really rather not.
Okay, look. Neither of us like what we saw, but it could have been worse, right? And besides, none of that has happened yet, so for all we know, there was a lot of good stuff that we didn't see.
Still, I don't feel like we won anything. If anything, this feels more like a burden.
Alright, look, we entered, our names got drawn, and we went. That is what happened. So, could you please put a nice face on? Our friends are coming over, and you can finish piecing that together later. Oh, looks like we've got company.
Great.
Of course, you remember my boyfriend Chris.
Hi, of course.
And I hope you don't mind. I brought my new roommate Trish.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
I'm Nancy.
Nancy, nice to meet you.
And I brought wine. It's my new favorite kind. I just tried it. It's so good.
Oh, come on. It's only $5.
Hey, Stella.
Hey.
Hey, Chris. Good to see you.
Oh, Walter, this is Trish.
Trish. Walter. Have we met before?
No, it's her new roommate.
Oh. Huh. Alright. Well, why don't I go set up an extra dining place for you?
Trish, you want to hear something crazy? So Walter and Nancy just went time traveling.
We're in the kitchen.
Hi! So good to see you!
Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Where did you get these, Noah?
It's my new recipe. Chris and I are opening up that bakery I've always talked about.
Yeah, I just made that investment last week.
I feel like I haven't seen you in forever. I just saw you last week. Oh, right. Yeah, the time travel thing, it messes with your mind.
Oh, yes! Seriously though, how was your vacation?
You know what? Let's grab this and let's have this conversation in the dining room.
Okay.
Let's get started with the salad while the roast finishes, yeah?
Good idea.
Do you want some wine?
Oh, no, thank you.
Seriously?
Come on, Nance. You went to the future. Do the math.
We have a bun in the oven.
Oh, you can tell her.
We have a bun in the oven.
Oh, that's so exciting. Of course, I completely forgot.
Cheers.
So you guys went to the future. How was it? Or should I say, how will it be?
Yeah.
Tell us about your trip.
Yeah, how
Well,
big
you
is my
know.
engagement ring?
Can I afford a house?
Tell me about the stock market.
Does the light rail ever get finished?
Tell us.
Do things ever come back into fashion?
Of course, we're still friends, right? Did any of you guys die?
Do I ever buy that yacht I've always been talking about?
Sure.
Look,
How is our baby?
Oh, I need a minute.
Nancy. Excuse us. Hey, Nancy. What happened to putting on a show for them?
I can't do it. I can't do it anymore. Not knowing what we know now.
So let's tell them.
Tell them? Tell them what? Tell them that Noah lost his business and that Chris lost his investment with them? Oh, tell them that Chris left Stella for her roommate? And tell them that Mel lost her baby.
Maybe there's a chance we can change this.
It's not that simple. There's nothing we can do now. Besides, what am I supposed to do? Tell my best friend that she loses her baby? What happens if I tell her? Oh, will she hate me if I don't?
Hey guys. Sorry, I hope everything's okay. Dinner's almost ready? Time's up.